Hey y'all, I am back and today I've got something different for you. We're going to take a look at an investment villa, pool villa here in Pattaya, development of 8 units, specifically built with the investor in mind. So as we get into it, you'll get some more details on that. But for now, let's get inside and see if we can beat this storm. This is the great room. Really cool sunken living room here. Big TV and really high ceilings. Very modern, minimalist design, lots of white, lots of open space. Access to the pool here through the door. And access to the garden. All right, let's go find Rachel. I know she's here.
490 ตารางเมตรพื้นที่ใช้สอย
There she is. Hey, Rachel.
Hi สวัสดีค่ะคุณไมเคิล
And Albert.
Hi, Michael. I'm Albert. Nice to meet you.
Nice.
Nice to meet you again.
Yeah, good to see you again. We're going to take a look at this pool villa investment property. You ready to show us around?
Yes, and I'm very exciting to show you guys here with yes.
All right.
I'm the owner of the project, and I'm here with Rachel and Michael. And I want to let April bring you around the house, and I'll come back to you and tell you about the investment program later on.
All right,
Yes,
sounds good.
I and Michael will show you guys to see around.
All right, might as well start in the kitchen since we're here.
Yes, for the kitchen you can see like as we told you, this project is investment project and also it's for vacation home project, which is the background of the owner and all the partner. They already successful in pool villa rental in Pattaya for more than 4 years already, and I can see their booking agenda is full. This vacation home is suit for everyone in your family. Come
So
to
direct
see.
pool access from the kitchen.
Yes.
So while you're cooking or eating, and if the kids are still in the pool, you can still keep an eye on them.
You can see all everyone in your family activity from this corner also. And for this project, we have 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. And we already researched for the investment for pool villa. This is the suitable, the best, how to say, function for the investment pool villa.
And this one's brand new, just opened. The actually it's not quite finished. Albert was telling me there are like 2 things that need to be fixed before they can open up. So no one stayed in it yet. No one's rented yet. Brand new, first opportunity. You guys get to see it first here.
Yes.
All right, let's go check out the rest of it.
So I would like to show you guys for the first bedroom first. This is the first bedroom, which is in the downstairs. And you know, as we told, this villa is fit for everyone in the family. This bedroom can be your parents, grandpa, grandma can stay.
Yeah, great. Has an ensuite bathroom. Very nice.
And
Wow,
with,
look at that shower.
yes.
It's got like jets in the front and everything. Wow. I like all the white, the modern, clean look. Patio access here off the downstairs bedroom.
with the queen side. And you can notice this is option, how to say no sliding.
Oh, the floor doesn't get slippery.
Yes.
Ah, I know sometimes when you polish the floors, when they're like that, that laminate can get very slippery. Let's go upstairs.
You can see our design is like very design.
Check this out. Watch me trip. I should watch where I'm going and not in the camera when I'm walking. That's pretty cool with the pool open, coming right into the steps. The pool comes into the house, basically.
You know, Michael, with the investment program from this villa, you can start with only 500 baht.
500,000 baht.
500,000 baht for investment. Yes.
Yeah. All right, so
We
this
can
is
tell.
this is the
Yes.
bunk room. So the house is made to hold many people on a weekend rental or a week-long rental. So this room has 4 queens or kings. How big are those beds, Rachel? Are they 5s or 6s? They're big.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So sleeps
8.
8 in here.
Yes.
Great if like a couple families share, you can throw all the kids in here. They've got nobody fighting over sinks in the morning to brush your teeth.
Yes, and her shower area.
Another one of those cool shower systems in here.
I love the design, you know, it's modern and smart.
Yeah. That mirror's probably smarter than me. I'd be lucky if I could learn to turn it on. Very nice.
From here, you can see the activity in your family in the living area also.
Yeah.
You can say hi. The kid.
You can see who's down there. You can decide if you
Yes.
want to go down or just stay here.
You can notice our inch have design.
Yeah, it's a very nice design. Oh, there's a little desk space and some hanging space for a wardrobe there in the corner. Throw the luggage up there.
It's mixed like hotel plus home, something like that.
Yeah, that's a
Yeah.
good description. It's a vacation home, hotel home. What's in this corner?
Okay, I bring you guys to another room. Yes.
Big TV on the wall. Another nice bedroom here.
Look really warm, you see, with
Yeah.
brown.
Look at all that
tone.
clothes space, the
Yes.
closet space, the wardrobe built in there. Wow.
On the corner, you can make like Instagram picture.
That's right. Yeah, you can
Because
be
for-
Instagram fabulous
yeah,
in
for
here.
vacation, for teenager, and even old people now they love make picture.
Yeah, you can show off where you're staying, that's for sure. It's
you can see.
definitely Instagram worthy. Look at this with the little garden in the bathroom off of this
And
shower.
open.
Yeah, and it opens to the outside.
Yeah. Wow. This can massage you also, you know.
Yeah, you start pushing buttons, we're gonna get wet.
And
I don't know how that thing works, but.
Uh,
And then in this corner,
yeah, come to have a look more. This is master bedroom. I love this room a lot. The most I loved. Come.
this is the one you like the most?
Yes.
This is the master. All right, let's see why she likes it the most.
Wow.
Yeah, very nice. Lots of light. Look at.
Oh my
Yeah.
God. It's bigger than bedroom, bathroom. This is my dream.
This is your dream bathroom.
Yes.
Look at that tub.
Yes.
Another one of those showers
Yeah.
there. Of course,
Wow.
separate toilet over here.
Wonderful
And then
design.
above the tub is an awesome skylight. So it's not open to the outside, but you get a lot of nice, bright sunlight coming in here.
So, which room you like?
I like the bathroom in here, that's for sure. I can see why this is your favorite. Nice little seating area there in the window. You want to sit and read or edit your Instagram posts. Very, very nice.
I love the decoration. Now we already like showing for 4 rooms already for the bedrooms.
Right.
You can see all bedroom different design itself. But all design have itself design because I used to talk to the owner. They are like businessmen and they are already success in pool villa, so they know all the pain point for pool villa and they know the behavior of the customer already.
Yeah.
So every inch can answer the customer.
You can tell that the owners and the designers planned this layout specifically for the rental business. And it's all based on their prior experience from having years of renting pool villas. This whole development was designed as a rental investment development, and it really shows in what we're seeing here.
Wow, now we are on like the rooftop area. Yes. And another corner that I love it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Get out here in some
I feel
shade, this
very
nice breeze,
relaxed.
the air blowing through here.
Yeah. I can stay here.
Yeah, it's very, very comfortable up here.
Yes.
And we've got some rain out there on the horizon, so it's cooling it down even more out here. But look at that
And they have,
jacuzzi there, hot tub here.
You can imagine stay and take a bath here. And from here, in Huay Yai area, this location is very, very good location, because Huay Yai area is, EEC project for Thailand project. Why this project should here location to be build the house because EEC project is Eastern Economic Corridor.
Ah, so this whole
Make-
corridor is really
yes.
being developed. Like the new mall that's going in is supposed to be near here, right?
And from here only 10 minutes to Jomtien.
Yep.
I drive from there, and from you motorbike, right? Easy to
Yeah,
come
it's
here.
so looking out here,
There is
Chaya Priyak
Jomtien.
is right out here, and there's Jomtien right in front
in
of
that
us.
building.
Yeah. Wait, there's some lightning.
And from here is not far access to the 36 road or motorway to Bangkok. And from Utapao airport only 20 minutes something.
Yeah, very close.
very close.
Convenient to all the big roads and the airport.
Here is the great location for investment also, I can say like that. And with the investment plan is great also. We will show you later. Nice.
Yeah, very nice. Great property.
So welcome to Pool Space. My name is Akradet Udom Panyawit. You can call me Albert. I'm the project owner of this villa project. This villa project has about altogether 8 units, and each unit is in the space of about 76 to 88 square wa, where it's about 3 stories high, and the usable area is about 466 to 492 square meters. The villa is divided with 4 bedrooms and 5 baths. The reason we want to have the space like that is we want people to be able to rent it out easily, because we have done the rental for at least 4 years of experience. And with the 4 years of experience, we've seen that the best composition of the area is about 4 bedrooms and 5 baths. And that's where we have the highest return for our investors. As this investment project, we are specialized in the design. that has a unique design of a modern and Muchit feel.
All right, Albert, you mentioned an investment program a little bit ago. Tell me about that.
So the investment program comes in 3 parts. The first part is to actually buy the villa itself. We'll give a guaranteed return of at least 3 years, and you can continue the contract on and on for the next 3 years as well. The next one is investment program where you have the buyback program. We want to give a guarantee of 7% return per year for the next 5 years. And after the 5th year, we will buy back the property itself as a buyback program. For the third investment, we know that agents sometimes have customers that might not be able to buy the whole property itself and would like micro investments. So we decided to have micro investors coming in as one unit as 500,000 baht per unit for investment. We'll give the investment of 7% return as well for the next 5 years. And after the 5 years, we'll return the money of 500,000 as well.
So the buyer gets their initial investment back.
Yes.
But over 5 years, they've made a guaranteed 7% rate.
Yes.
So it's a no-lose deal.
No lose deal. Yes. So for the buyback return and the micro investment of the guaranteed 5 years, we'll give you the full amount of the equity that you invested after the 5 years, and you'll keep the return on investment of 7% per year, which times 5 equals to 35% return in the next 5 years.
Wow.
So, Mr. Michael, after we review, right? And actually, we came here for twice, and we met the project owner for twice time also. So, I would like to know inside your feeling, what you think about this project?
Yeah, so we got to come, like you said, a second time. Now that it's all finished, we were here before. When we did the little who's that in the picture, we were actually here and it wasn't finished yet. So now we've been invited back to give you guys a look at it as soon as it's been finished, and you'll see that there's a couple places where they're still finishing up. But I really like it. I think it's a beautiful property. They've done a lot of work on the amenities, on the decoration, on the design to make it a pool villa for that week-long weekend rental that they specialize in. And the builder, the owner here, has a lot of experience doing that. So I think it's a great property. I definitely think people are going to want to stay here.
Okay, with the product, right?
Yeah.
And also for about yourself, you are already retired in Thailand, and I would like to know how you think about investment plan for this project. How you think?
Yeah, so one of the things that I talk about on the channel, and I've got a couple other videos on, and I'll stick a link up there to one or two of them, is investing and preparing for retirement. But one of the great things here is that it's a guaranteed return for a number of years, and that's a great opportunity, especially with the buyback program. It seems that there's no downside. There's no room for loss, right? So it's an investment. They will buy back at the original price you paid, and
After 5 years.
yeah, and you keep all of the 7% income that you've made for that time. So it seems like a great investment opportunity if you're looking for real estate, if you're looking for guaranteed returns. It's definitely something worth checking into. And if you want more information on this development, go ahead and put a note down in the comments, or my email is always in the description of every video. You can email me and I will get you in touch with the right folks to get you all of the information you need and all of the disclosures that come with it. You can't live here, but you can come and stay here. And if you're coming to Pattaya on vacation, you're not ready to move here yet, maybe
Try
you want
here.
to check this
Yeah.
out and stay here. All right, y'all, we'll see you in the next one.
Okay, สวัสดีค่ะ บ๊ายบาย